Hi children, today we will discuss about refraction of light at curved surfaces. Introduction. Observe the following glasses used for different situations. Reading glass. Some people use spectacles for reading books and newspaper. Watch repair uses a small magnifying glass to see tiny parts of a watch. Magnifying glasses can be mounted on stands to form microscopes, which scientists like chemists and biologists use to perform research. Microscopes are also used in medical research, and microscopes are also used in medical labs for testing blood samples and other body fluids and tissues. A palmist uses a magnifying glass for seeing the details of the lines of a person's palm. In this way, lenses play an important role in our day-to-day life. Lenses are used to make magnifying glass, cameras, spectacles, and microscopes, etc. What is the basic principle involved in the working of a lens? The working of a lens is based on the refraction of light rays when the light rays passes through the lens. Before going to learn about refraction of light, you should know about some terms like medium, optical denser medium, optical rarer medium, and refraction of light. What is meant by medium? A transparent substance in which light travels is known as a medium. Examples: air is a medium, water is a medium, glass is a medium, and kerosene is a medium. Next, what is meant by optical rarer medium? A medium in which the velocity of light is more, then the medium acts as an optically rarer medium. What is meant by optical denser medium? A medium in which the velocity of light is less, then the medium acts as an optically denser medium. For example, see the table, medium and speed of light. As compared to air and water, the speed of light in air is more than water, so air acts as a rarer medium. When we compare water and glass, the speed of light in water is more than the glass, so water acts as a rarer medium. As compared to air and glass, the speed of light in the air is more than the glass, so air acts as a rarer medium. What happens when light rays travels from one medium to another medium? When a ray of light travels from an optical rarer medium to optically denser medium, it bends towards the normal. When a ray of light travels from optically denser medium to optical rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. What is refraction of light? Refraction is the phenomena in which a ray of light bends from its path at the surface of separation of two media when it travels from one medium into other. When a beam of light rays moves from air to water, that is rarer medium to denser medium, it bends to